My name is Wally Cope. I'm from New York and I'm at Curbside.2026, which is in Long Beach, California. So I had to travel 5.5 hours by plane to come here. So it wasn't a light trip for me. And now that I look back on it, it was totally worth the time. They brought in speakers from inside the industry and outside the industry, branding, marketing, pickup and delivery, wash and fold. But we talk about these topics a lot. What was great about Curbside 2024, they had their speakers go in depth to take us behind the scenes into their operations and really show us strategies and tactics that they've been using to be successful that we could take home right after we leave here and implement in our businesses. So I'm looking forward to Curbside 2025, or is it Curbside 2026? Whenever Matt and Aaron figure out if it's going to be every year or every other year, I'll definitely be there, and I hope to see you there too.
The speakers have been great. I like the way that they varied the size of the, I should say, the amount of time that they've given the speakers. Some were shorter, some were longer. It's always great to hear from people who are in business and have kind of been there, done that, which is the type of speakers they've had here. So I've even learned a lot, and I've been in the business over 30 years. I think they just did a great job here today.
You learned a lot?
I have learned a lot. The attendees have been great. Almost all of them are store owners as far as the people I've spoken to. We have a lot of our customers who own our product here, so it was good to get a chance to speak with them and hear how their systems are doing. And it's been amazing how many conversations I've had regarding people who are interested in purchasing our product. So it's just been a great use of my time being here.
Yeah, it seems like it's been hard to get you one-on-one. I had to get through the crowd to get to you.
Yeah, it has been very busy. The organizers have done a great job of driving people to our booths. They've done a great job of managing the time so that all of the attendees have a chance to come and visit the vendors. It's just been a first-class event.
And I actually even heard a plug from one of the speakers. I think it was Sasha who mentioned your brand during his presentation.
Yeah, we've been very fortunate that there was a few plugs about our equipment. That's right. Great speakers, really good information, and definitely you can feel the energy in the room that people are very interested.
The convention, the conference has been awesome. I normally take so many brochures to a conference like this, and I gave them all out by lunch yesterday. So it's been extremely busy for us, and I would highly recommend the conference in the future.
The networking aspect of this event has been better than I've ever seen. The attendees are very engaged. The speakers are providing very valuable information, and people are very interested in what all of us do, which is really refreshing.
And so what do you think about this event? This is kind of the first event like this, right?
Yeah, you know, Matt and Aaron and Mom and Dad did a fantastic job here. I think the marketing they did was awesome. The speakers that they brought in and their content was absolutely amazing. I've heard nothing but rave reviews from people all over North America. We've got people here from Hawaii, from Texas, from the Northeast, the Southeast, the Northwest. People from all over the country are here, and everybody's having a great time sharing ideas, thoughts, tips, tricks, and sharing their contact information. Yes, it's just laundry, but what somebody does in Texas, maybe we never thought of before. The marketing people that were here from Marathon brought up some excellent ideas, but all the speakers were tens. I mean, the Simmonses put together an amazing group of speakers and presenters.
Amazing event. They've put on an incredible event. I'm most impressed with the attendees here. It's a very, very knowledgeable group of owners, both in coin-operated or self-service vended laundromats, as well as pickup and delivery and wash-dry folds. So the level of attendant is far beyond what we see sometimes at certain events. So it's an excellent event. They've done a great job bringing a great group of people together, and including us vendors here in the conference room has been a very nice added feature.
Hey, Matt and Aaron.
Hi, Matt and Aaron.
And Mama Simmons and Dad Simmons. You guys are flippin' rock stars. I'm impressed.
Yes.
Seriously,
You did a phenomenal job. Your team was absolutely incredible, but Not shocking.
No.
They're your team.
Exactly. And you have really made a difference in our lives.
Yes.
I mean, we're not going to get all teary and cry
We're
here.
forever grateful,
We really
forever
are.
thankful.
Yeah, and we're proud of you. You're making this industry what it is with the podcast, this conference, bringing talented, nice people together.
Yeah.
It's been a lot of fun.
And everyone was so super sweet and kind, and I love that it was like intimate.
Family.
That was great.
Yeah, it was great. So thank you for being part of us.
We love you.
Yes, we do. Thanks, guys.
Bye.